So in this video we are going to demonstrate you some of the simple exercises that can be done at home during this lockdown period. Most of the patients are not able to do their regular exercises or go for a walk during this lockdown period. So here we are going to demonstrate you few exercises. We will demonstrate these exercises in a sequence rapidly, but these exercises have to be done for each exercises for about 10 seconds, and this can be repeated about 10 to 15 times, about 10 minutes of exercises in the morning and 10 minutes of exercises in the evening. So these exercises will help you to keep your bone, joints and muscles functional and healthy during this lockdown period. So the first set of exercise is for the neck. It is called isometric neck exercise. In this isometric neck exercises, what we do is we put the palm against our head and put resistance to the head in the front, and similarly pressure has to be given on the left side, and a similar pressure you can give on the right side. And neck exercises, they are called desk side exercises. Simple exercises to rotate the neck to the right, rotate the neck to the left, and these are the simple exercises for the neck. Now coming to the shoulder, we do two exercises. One is called shoulder shrugging exercises, in which you shrug the shoulder. This is done for about 10 seconds. And we have what is called as shoulder bracing exercises, in which you keep the arm at the level of the shoulder and take your arms backwards in the form of a bracing. So you keep doing this for about 10 seconds. Now these are some simple exercises for the back. You lift one leg, the left leg up, and keep it for about 10 seconds. Leave it down. Lift the other leg, keep it up for about 10 seconds. Leave it down. Try to lift both the legs together for about 10 seconds. Hold it up for 10 seconds. Leave it down. Now bend your knees and curl up. Hold it for about 10 seconds. Leave it. Now these are exercises for the hip, where you lie down to one side, turn to your left side and lift your leg up and hold it there for about 10 seconds. Leave it down. Again lift it for about 10 seconds. Leave it down. Now turn to this side and repeat the same exercise on the left side. Lift it up for 10 seconds. Leave it down. Lift it up for 10 seconds. Leave it down. Now the next set of exercise involves lying down on prone position, and in this position you try to lift one leg up. Hold it for about 10 seconds. Leave it down. Hold the other leg up for about 10 seconds. Leave it down and lift your chest up and hold it for 10 seconds. So the next set of exercise is for the legs, in which mainly for the ankle and calf muscles, you pull your ankle up and push it down. So you keep doing this. This is called ankle pumps. This will mainly help in stretching and strengthening the calf muscles. Next exercise is, we will keep a rolled up towel under the ankle and pressing of the legs over the sheet. This will stretch the hamstring muscles. And the third set of exercise involve keeping this folded sheet under the knee and press your knee down nicely to strengthen the quadriceps muscles. So these are the set of exercises which you can do it yourself at home to keep your bone, joint and muscles healthy during this lockdown period.